Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to link Epic Games account to Rockstar Social Club. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to go to Rockstar website. So now let's head on to rockstargames.com. So here you can see my result. Click over here and here you'll see this sort of interface, and on the right hand side you can see your icon. Click over here, and here what you have to do is first let's log out. So over here, when you first visit this website, you will see this sort of interface, and here you have an option to sign in or sign up. So if you have an account, you can just sign in, or if you don't have an account, you can just click on sign up, and here you will be able to create new Rockstar Social Club account. Alright, so now let's sign into our Rockstar Club and let's sign in. Alright, so here the next step is to click on your profile icon and now click on settings. Alright, so once you have clicked settings, what you have to do is click on linked accounts, and here you can see we don't have an option for Epic Games account to link to. However, we have various options such as Google and PlayStation. So here what you have to do is click on your profile once again, and now click on help and then click on support. Alright, so over here what you have to do is click on this account support option. So now let's click on account support, and here you can see we have an option for Rockstar Games account. Click over here and you'll see that option for account linking. Click over there once again. Alright, so here what you have to do is input your Epic Games ID and now write description explaining your problem and why you want to link the account. And now you can upload your image. And now let's write some dummy description. So this is a sample description. So once you have completed all the steps, what you can do is just click on send ticket. So you can just enter your Epic Games ID over here. Now click on submit web ticket, and your Epic Games account will be linked to Rockstar Social Club after support reaches out to you. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.